What is going on today, guys? Today I am going to show you how to curve text in Photoshop in under 2 minutes. So let's get to it. All right, first you want to click on the text box, and then you want to go ahead and type the text that you want to curve. And for the sake of this video, we will just type in curve text. All right, once you have the text written out, you come up here where my mouse tool is. You click on that, which is the warp toolbox. Click on style, and it gives you all these options which you can play with later on. But for the sake of this video, we are going to just curve it. So we click arc, and there you go. You just curve the text. Now you could curve it above as shown, and you can also curve it below like so. And it also gives you options to distort it horizontally and vertically. So today we are going to just curve it above. So we'll go ahead and put 50, and there you go. That is how you curve text in Photoshop. If you guys like these types of videos, please comment, like, and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Bye.